What's up, YouTube? It's got me a new toolbox from Home Depot, $698. It's like $730 something with the tax. It's a 15 drawer. Put my side cabinets on here, bolted them on. It's got USB ports, 110 outlets on both sides. It's got magnetic wrench dealies there. I put some extra magnets up here for my screwdrivers, nut drivers. A radio up there. But nice deep drawers. They're 18 inches deep. You know, this way. 18 inches deep. And the drawers shut real nice and slow. You know, you can like slam them and they go in real slow. It's got a valet key here for this box, like if you want to lock your wallet in there. Nice big huge drawer here for all your sockets. Comes in handy. Allen wrenches and testers and what else you got in there? Pullers, chain wrenches, half-inch stuff, zip tie tools, and my impacts and stuff down here. It's a pretty big box down here. You could probably put all kinds of stuff in here. Nice big box here. You got screwdrivers and drills and stuff in there. Now, like I said, mounted these little side boxes on the side off my other box. I got that over there. That thing was just getting too small. And my middle box from that box I bolted under here. Had another box bolted to the side of that other one. I put that down here. But yeah, for the price you can't go wrong. Just this bottom box they want like $739 at Harbor Freight. And I guess they got a lot of problems with their drawer slides or their bearings or whatever in their slides. But these work out pretty nice. Alright, thanks for watching.